Spring bringing with it the promise of new beginnings and vibrant transformations. Join me as we bid farewell to the frosty remnants of winter and embrace the refreshing spirit of spring with these simple yet impactful decor ideas. Let's start it with spring flowers in a bucket. Elevate your space with a charming bouquet of tulips displayed in a farmhouse bucket, adding a rustic touch to your decor. Spring tiered tray. Create a stunning centerpiece with a tiered tray adorned with fresh spring colors. Perfect for adding a pop of seasonal charm to any countertop. Spring decor, the Easter egg edition. Embrace the Easter spirit with a fast and delightful floral arrangement featuring faux eggs and spring twigs for a festive touch. DIY tulip wreath idea. Craft a stunning tulip wreath using a folded birch planter and burlap ribbon, adding a burst of color to your front door. Five-minute dollar store spring decor wreath. Get creative and thrifty with a grapevine wreath adorned with inexpensive greenery from the dollar store. Perfect for a quick and budget-friendly decor update. Nesting bird candle holders. Add a whimsical touch to your decor with farmhouse candle holders featuring nesting birds and spring floral greenery for a charming display. Simple modern foliage spring wreaths. Embrace minimalist elegance with a simple embroidery hoop wreath adorned with boxwood greenery, perfect for a modern spring look. Spring table decor. Elevate your table with farmhouse-inspired decor and fresh spring accents, creating a stunning centerpiece for gatherings and meals. Easter carrot centerpiece. Make a statement with an elaborate Easter centerpiece featuring carrot-inspired decor elements, adding a festive touch to your spring celebrations. Spring dining room. Transform your dining room into a serene farmhouse-inspired space with chalkboard accents and fresh spring tulips for a delightful ambience. DIY umbrella spring wreath. Get creative with an old umbrella, ribbon, and flowers to craft a chic and effortless wreath, perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your decor. Spring decor idea: thrifty hurricane. Add a pop of color to your space with a thrifty hurricane centerpiece featuring dried lentils, white candles, and a glass container for a fresh and easy look. Easter cross wreath. Infuse your decor with meaning and beauty with a cross-shaped wreath adorned with twigs and florals. Perfect for celebrating the essence of Easter. Spring mason jars. Add a touch of charm to your space with chalk-painted mason jars filled with fresh spring florals, creating a delightful DIY spring accent. Of flowers spring decor idea. Bring a creative vibe to your space with rain boots filled with cherry blossoms, adding a whimsical touch to any entryway or porch. As we welcome the warmth and beauty of spring, let these decor ideas inspire you to infuse your home with new life and fresh beginnings. Whether you're crafting a simple wreath or creating an elaborate centerpiece, may your spring be filled with joy, inspiration, and a touch of seasonal charm.